Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for this video, I am going to discuss to you about hypothesis testing. Okay, when we say hypothesis, it is a proposed explanation, assertion, or assumption about a population parameter. Ibig sabihin, in a study or in an investigation, you are having a hypothesis or you are having a proposed explanation. And that proposed explanation is to be tested. We are going to test that certain hypothesis. Okay? And the hypothesis is tested using the statistical methods. Okay? Again, hypothesis is a proposed explanation. Okay? We have here two competing statistical hypotheses. Two competing. So the first one, the null hypothesis, and the second one is the alternative hypothesis. Itong si null hypothesis is denoted by H_0 or the HO, and the alternative hypothesis is denoted by HA or the alternative. 0A, alternative. Null hypothesis is denoted by H_0 or the HO, and the alternative hypothesis HA. Okay. Bakit kaya sila tinatawag na competing? Compete. Okay. So these two hypotheses, tinatawag silang competing statistical hypothesis because they are contradicting with each other. Hindi sila magkakasundo. Lagi sila nagkakaaway. Okay? They are contradicting with each other because these two hypotheses are not treated on equal basis. Okay? They are not treated on equal basis. Bakit? Kasi special consideration is given to null hypothesis. Kaya kung napapansin nyo, bakit sa mga thesis hindi nakalagay si alternative hypothesis? Bakit part ng chapter 1 is only the null hypothesis? Kasi nga, si null hypothesis is given the special treatment. Okay? At ito si alternative hypothesis naman, from the name itself, alternative, ibig sabihin, choice or choice ka lang. Alternative hypothesis will be the choice if ever itong si null hypothesis ay magiging rejected. Kasi may dalawang decision na gagawin natin kay hypothesis. It could be accepted or rejected. Diba sinasabi, we are going to test the hypothesis. We are going to test. So after testing, we have two decisions. Either accepted or rejected. Itong si alternative hypothesis, magiging matatanggap lang itong si alternative if ever si null hypothesis ay rejected. Okay? Option ka lang. Kaya nga class, huwag kayong magtaka, do not question yourself kung bakit kayo nagkakahiwalay. Iyak ka ng iyak kasi iniwan ka ng jowa mo, iyak ka ng iyak kasi niloko ka. Alam mo kung bakit? Simple lang yan. In statistics, hindi ka null hypothesis. Alternative ka lang. Ibig sabihin, choice ka lang. Hindi kanya priority. Okay? Iba yung null, iba yung alternative. Swerte lang kung ikaw si null, priority ka niya. Pero sad to say, alternative ka lang, choice ka lang. Okay? I hope you have understood the difference of these two competing statistical hypotheses. Okay? So let us discuss this more. Why is it the null hypothesis is denoted by HO or the H0? It is because the null hypothesis, it is a statement of zero difference. Okay? Bakit ho? Bakit _0? Kasi the null hypothesis is a statement of zero difference. Ibig sabihin ni zero difference, it is walang pinagkaiba. No difference. There is no difference. Kaya, ang statement ni null hypothesis, it assumes that there is no difference. Okay? There is no difference. Walang pinagkaiba. Kaya, sa hypothesis class, in our thesis, we're gonna put, there is no difference or there is no significant difference because that is the null hypothesis. Zero difference. On the other hand, si alternative hypothesis naman, it is a statement that assumes there is, alternative, there is a difference. Okay? May pinagkaiba yung dalawang means natin. So, there is a difference. Yan si alternative hypothesis. Again, the null hypothesis assumes that there is no difference between two means, the population mean and the sample mean, or the variables being compared. We are comparing two variables. If may pinagkaiba sila, ba sila or wala. Example, means of the teachers or means of the students, are they having significant difference? Are they having a difference? Okay. On the other hand, si alternative hypothesis naman, it is a statement that assumes there is a significant difference between the two means or between the two variables that being compared. Okay? Now, para mas maintindihan pa natin, since the null hypothesis is zero difference, ano yung mathematical symbol na ginagamit ni null hypothesis? Kapag zero difference, walang pinagkaiba, ibig sabihin, ang ginagamit ni null hypothesis, di ba? Sabi natin, sa null hypothesis, zero difference. So, ibig sabihin, ano yung mathematical symbol na ginagamit niya? Ginagamit ni null hypothesis ay equal symbol. Equal symbol. Or, may pinagkaiba, there is no difference, yung mean sub 1 sa mean sub 2 natin. Equal, we are using kasi nga, kapag equal sila, 3 is equal to 3, no difference, walang pinagkaiba. On the other hand naman, si alternative hypothesis, ano yung mga symbol na ginagamit ni alternative hypothesis? Ano yung alternative hypothesis? There is a difference. Ibig sabihin, may pinagkaiba. So kapag may pinagkaiba, ano ang mathematical symbol na ginagamit ni alternative hypothesis? We are using what symbols? Greater than, less than, or not equal. So, these are the symbols that we use for the alternative hypothesis. Okay, this time, let us discuss the two types of errors. At alamin natin kung bakit kaya siya tinatawag na error or bakit siya tinatawag na pagkakamali. Okay? The two types of errors. First, the type 1 error, and the second one is a type 2 error. You know what, class? This is one of the best lessons that I really like to discuss in statistics because it has something to connect with our real life situation. It has something to connect with the reality in our society. Okay? So, error. Type 1 error. Bakit kaya siya tinatawag na error? First, the type 1 error occurs when the null hypothesis is rejected when it is true. A sad reality in life. A sad reality in our society. Kung sino pa yung trying to be true, kung sino pa yung nagpakatotoo sa inyo, kung sino pa yung trying to showcase the real identity. This is me. I don't care. This is the real me. Sila pa yung nire-reject. Diba? Occurs when the null hypothesis is rejected when it is true. Kaya siya tinatawag na pagkakamali kasi nga, yung iba nagpakatotoo ka na. This is the real me. A simple me. A normal me. But still, you are rejected. Type 1 error. The type 2 error occurs when the null hypothesis is not rejected, when it is in fact false. Another sad reality. Kung sino pa yung nagpaka-plastic, kung sino pa yung mga taong trying to hide their real identity, sila pa yung hindi nire-reject. Another error. A very sad reality in life. That is why, class, before I end this video, allow me to share this to you. I know you have experienced this one. Even me. We have experienced, we are trying to be true, but still we are rejected. Maybe there are friends that they are hiding the reality, they are trying to be false, and they are not accepted. They are not rejected. Okay. Allow me to share this to you. There's really nothing wrong in being true to yourself. It's okay to have one, two, or few friends as long as it is real and genuine. Because what's the use, what's the purpose of having so many friends, but in the real sense, they are not showing their true identity. They are just false in your life. Okay? Never mind what others may think, may say about you. Continue reaching your dreams. Continue doing whatever makes you happy. As long as you're trying to be true, as long as you are not stepping down the dignity, the principles, or the feelings of others. There's nothing wrong in being true.